To begin, I just added some video footage to my timeline. Let's start by right-clicking in our project panel and going to New Item Adjustment Layer. Drag your layer above your video clip and then drag its edge so that it matches the length of your clip. Now let's go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur in the search box. Drag the effects onto your adjustment layer. Make sure your adjustment layer is selected and then go up to Effect Controls. Increase the blurriness property to 100. We don't really want this black border you see here, so I'm going to check Repeat Edge Pixels. Next, expand the opacity property. Change the blending mode to linear dodge. Now we need to add some keyframes to create our pulsing light effect. Make sure that the stopwatch is selected and then change the opacity to 0% to create the first keyframe. Move the time head a little bit over and then change it to 100. Now just copy and paste these two keyframes over the length of your clip. To do this, drag to select all of your keyframes, then hold down the Alt key while dragging them. Alright, and when I play this back, we have a nice looking pulsing light effect. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.